and a note. Don't forget to register. Troubadour 5-year guarantee. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. Hi, we're here today to unbox and review the L'Estrange Loves Troubadour Apex backpack. For those of you who don't know, L'Estrange are a sustainable fashion brand. I've been a big fan of them for a long time. I've had a pair of their shorts for forever. They recently started in a slightly more relaxed fit chino, which are also great, and t-shirts are also fabulous. So when I got an email saying they partnered with the accessories specialist Troubadour to create a backpack, I knew I had to get my hands on one. And here it is. So let's take a look. So straight away, notice the premium feel about it, and it does come with a premium price. So this is on sale for £249, which I know is not cheap, but I've got to say L'Estrange value on their clothes is fantastic. So no doubt that the value on this is great as well. So it's fully waterproof, it's made from recycled materials, keeping in line with their sustainable fashion stylings. What really attracted me to this, because I have only bought it because I will use it, is firstly kind of just the sturdiness of the whole thing. So even though it's fully material, it feels robust. The finish is obviously great. Let's take a look inside. So inside, you've got a nice array of pockets. You've got the netting on the front, pen holders, a couple of separate holders there, which would do well for phones, internal zip pocket. Kind of lots, about a hand's worth of depth in there. What I do like about it is the fact it does go on to carry-on luggage. So you can't really see it. A lot of bags will have a kind of strap horizontally across here, which you can use to slot on. Actually, it's really well designed. So it goes in here and then comes out the top like that. So really robust, kind of built into the design of the bag, not a separate strap, which is fantastic. So it says it's got enough space for a 17-inch laptop, which would go in the back here. Okay. There's actually a little divider in the back as well there, so you could put in another laptop, an iPad, keeps it separate. Really soft inside as well, and that just fits in there no problem whatsoever. So really comfortable straps, really nicely padded, and so we're going to go and try this out on the road. Detailing on the side, Troubadour loves L'Estrange. On the sides here, pop button pockets for on this side, and non-sealable pocket on that side. So I've always been like a backpack guy, not a briefcase guy. And I think what really stands out for me, I think, is firstly the L'Estrange credentials, sustainable fashion, really important. Also then Troubadour's expertise. I think the combination of the two is great. It's waterproof, easily carry everything you need for a day in the office.